Welcome to Agent Building 101. In this module, you'll learn the fundamentals of building agents using Agent Builder. As AI systems scale, they don't just automate tasks, they amplify decisions. That amplification increases both value and risk. Getting safety right protects people, enterprise data, and organizational trust. These sessions are intentionally focused on exploration and understanding, not rapid deployment. Data and AI, privacy, and IT security teams are aligned to ensure Copilot agents are ethical, compliant, and secure before they are broadly adopted. Agents can be created for many common scenarios. Examples include onboarding assistants, meeting prep assistants. Other agents support research and internal knowledge lookup. These examples show how agents can automate repeatable tasks and improve access to information. Agents follow a life cycle. First, plan the purpose and goals. Second, design the topics and flows. Third, test the logic and behavior. Fourth, publish and share the agent. Lastly, continuously monitor and improve performance. Start by planning your agent. Define the problem you are solving. Identify who will use it. Clarify how it supports your goals. Decide whether it retrieves information, assists users, or automates tasks. And clearly define what the agent should not do. Start small with one process and one clear outcome. Designing your agent has 3 parts. Instructions guide what the agent does and how it behaves. Knowledge defines what the agent knows and can reference. Suggested prompts help users interact with the agent effectively. Instructions describe the agent's role and behavior. Choose a clear and descriptive name. Define the agent's purpose. Specify tone, scope, and interaction style. Clear instructions help Agent Builder generate accurate and useful agents. Knowledge is the foundation of any Copilot agent. It determines how well the agent understands context and responds accurately. Knowledge sources can include SharePoint, Teams chats, public websites, and embedded files. These sources ground the agent in enterprise data and make responses more relevant. Agents can connect to both public and enterprise data. Supported sources include SharePoint, OneDrive, Dataverse, Azure AI Search, and more. With the right knowledge, agents can generate dynamic, multi-turn responses in real time. This allows you to create immediately useful agents. Using multiple knowledge sources improves accuracy and completeness. It helps the agent provide more reliable and personalized responses. Regularly maintaining these sources ensures the agent stays current and effective. Agent Builder supports a limited set of capabilities. Agents can create documents, charts, and code. They can also generate images. These capabilities extend what simple agents can do without full studio development. Suggested prompts help users get started quickly. They appear when users open the agent. Suggested prompts showcase capabilities, save time, and guide interaction. They help users understand what the agent is designed to do. Testing is critical before publishing. Preview mode simulates real conversations. Iterative refinement improves prompts and logic. Review conversation flow and detect errors early. Testing improves reliability and user trust. After testing, the agent is ready to publish. Agents can be shared through Teams, direct links, or SharePoint. Communicate clearly with users about the agent's purpose and capabilities. Good communication improves adoption and satisfaction. Start with one agent per process or use case. Pilot with focused, simple scenarios. Document logic and permissions. And continuously analyze usage to refine your agent over time. This concludes Agent Building 101. You now have a foundational understanding of how to plan, design, test, and share agents responsibly.